If you guys want to see this look, make sure you keep on watching.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fun.
So my camera had stopped recording for a little split second. Hopefully it got all of it in the beginning. But yes, so I was telling you guys that I bought some concealer. This is the Milani concealer. I bought a few shades to try on myself and my clients. Period. And yeah, so we're gonna start off with let's open this up. But we're gonna start off with our eyebrows, because that's how I start my makeup. Or should I use like a technique that they show you what I learned from the makeup classes? Yeah, we could do that. So they basically do brows last and then do the face first and do eyes, which it really ain't no real big difference for real. And I also bought some brushes, which I'm not even gonna use in this video. They sold out on Amazon right now, but they're called BS Mall brushes. Yes. But she recommended these brushes in the class, and to be honest, these brushes is cheap. They $9. Like, this brush look just like this brush. No shade, but it looks so similar. So yeah, if you're looking for some affordable brushes, check them out. So y'all, I've been loving this e.l.f. primer. As you can see, I like this primer, and I also like the milk primer, which is completely out. That's why I'm not using the milk today. But the e.l.f. one, I feel like it's tackier, like grips better and stuff. So yeah, this is the one we're gonna use for the day. I'm just gonna wipe it all over. And I already moisturized. Ooh. Feel like I got a bump on my forehead or something. But y'all, what y'all been doing? I've been just living my best life as usual. And then we're gonna use our NARS foundation. We're gonna use our NARS and the new cow. And I got a tablecloth. I got a table right here, y'all. With a tablecloth, I just be clumping it on the table because okay, then we're gonna take our Real Techniques brush. This is the 202 brush. I feel like everybody has definitely seen this brush. We got the angle. And we just gonna pat it out. And I really didn't use a lot of that foundation. I always gotta bring it down to the neck. Yeah, every time I have blonde hair, it just be so hard not to get the foundation in my hair. It gets in there every time. Yeah, I know y'all think this is my natural color now. It's blonde. Y'all, that bump right there. I was wondering what was so sore. Okay, boom. So now we're gonna take one of these concealers. The new concealer, let me see. We're gonna go in with this shade. This shade. This 160. This shade look kind of short.
Close your eyes to get away.
We're gonna go in with the 160 shade. That might be a little better.
You'll be fine. I'll be painless.
Okay, boom. So we got our concealer on. Now we're gonna go and rinse concealer out. This concealer, I heard, dries quickly. So I'm gonna move as fast as I can. And we're gonna do like an everyday beat. This is like something that I would do every day. And you guys see that I'm tapping the product in and not dragging it. Tap, tap, tap. And so when I get to the front of the brows, I just kind of, I don't really feel in my brows no more. Unless it's giving like, oh, sis, the brows need to be done. I don't really feel in no more.
All I'm drinking is champagne.
I'm sorry, I got the bird shirt outside. And my dryer going. I'm gonna get my dryer, y'all.
Yeah.
And I have tried it on clients and it seemed to do it pretty well, but just not on myself yet. But I will. This is what it looks like. Maybe I could do another video, like an all e.l.f. video or something. Affordable makeup. So we're gonna go back with the foundation brush that we used and just tap that. Make sure everything is just blended. And then I'm going to take this powder is new too, but I definitely have tried it. Somebody recommended this in the class, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills powder and banana.
The 10,000 building, get your ass.
And yeah, I'm happy I tried some of these products so y'all can kind of know if I like it or really don't like it, but it's really a good product. Okay, so now I'm going to take my wet Real Tex knee sponge and dip in that powder, and I'm going to press that powder in. Because we don't want no creasing. And this powder kind of reminds me of the Laura Mercier powder. Just it blends a little bit better. It's not as chalky looking. Like this powder looks good to me on deeper complexions and not just like lighter tones. Does that make sense? And this is the shade banana, but it's a light banana. It's not like banana like Kunafa from Huda Beauty or what's the other powder? Sasha Buttercup. It's not like that. Really, I just be setting the whole nose because the whole nose need to be set anyway. This concealer looks so pretty. This is the first time like me using this concealer. Bravo, right? Okay, now I'm gonna take one of my wedges, which is dirty, but it's okay. And tap it in there. Powder puff, whatever you want to call it. And we're gonna bake.
New piece around my neck, this chess games. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more.
Of the classes I want to go take, both of the girls use the same concealer. So now we're going to go in and contour the nose, and we're going to use one of these brushes out of this set to do so. We're going to use this brush. It's the 308 brush. My eyes is running. Why? Maybe because I ain't sitting in front of these lights in so long. We're going to take, this is my favorite palette, period. The Morphe palette. This is the contour palette. This is the AR palette. And we're going to take a little bit of this shade here. And we're going to snatch the nose up with this brush. Like, y'all seen how I tapped some of it off, because a little bit goes a long way. And like whatever that powder, like sometimes, you know, when you bake and stuff, the powder kind of gets out of control. Just get it back in control, but hurry up and do that so it won't be like setting.
Purple rain, Princeton, Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it.
Now I'm going to take, I don't even know where it is. Oh, this Morphe brush, my favorite brush. And then we're going to take our cream blush, which I know I already said my face, but we're still gonna take the cream blush. Hopefully my eyes stop running, because I really don't know what the issue is. Dab. I'm so nervous. Okay. I feel like that's good enough. That should be good enough. And then we're gonna take, this is Peaches and Cream brush in the PC 15, and we're just gonna kind of start to blend it. That's really pretty.
Flush the magnums just so they not collecting my
That's
specimens.
really pretty.
Damn.
I love that. Okay, we're gonna do this other side. I didn't dip back into the product because it seems like a lot comes out when you dip back into the product. Okay, it's really, really bright. Really, really bright. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go in, we still gonna leave the stuff under the eyes. We're gonna go in with some concealer under the eyes. I'm gonna use that same shade, that 60 shade. And we're gonna take a smaller brush, smaller fat brush to do that. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this eyeshadow palette, and we're just gonna do like some type of brown look all over the eye. Probably this shade because it's like the purple shade. This one right here. We'll see about the transition. I feel like this palette is, it's okay. It's not something that I would normally go for, like with these shades in here. Let's see how the brown shade look. It's not even like showing up for real. Let me see. No, we can't do this palette. I'm gonna go in with this palette, which is one of my faves. Like this brand in general. This is, what is the name of this brand? Because I never remember what's the name of the brand, but I just know I love the brand. I think Bohemian something. So now it's time to go and dust off the powder. I want to put on black eyeliner, but my eyes so watery, so it might not be giving what it needs to give. We're gonna go in. This is the foundation brush that I used earlier. We're gonna go in and tap that powder out. This was one of the new techniques that I picked up at the class, which I love. But at first I used to go in with my MAC powder and like tap and dust it off, which I still might go in with my MAC powder just because my eye is like tripping. We love some quick fix stuff, right? And then I'm gonna go in with this brush and use the powder blush. You know, I don't feel like I need no more blush on. We just gonna try to use a real light hand. And we're gonna go in with the light, the hot pink shade. And then we're gonna use my favorite highlighter. It's the MAC highlighter. Y'all never can run out of this though. But it is the golden bronze. It's the like loose highlighter. Fair, like it's from Morphe. And I'm just so addicted to it. It's the Morphe 510 brush. I'm gonna take that and smile and put it right above the blush. To go in and like really set the rest of my face, we're gonna use a loose powder by Huda Beauty. And it's the Cinnamon. I'm gonna take that foundation brush and just kind of cut some off and just press it in. So any place that still got like shine or the foundation, like that's what you need to be setting. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with lips and then we're gonna do our lashes. Ooh, okay, y'all, I done ran a marathon, period. I don't know what lashes I want to use because I just went to the house store because I ain't have no lashes. I really ain't have no lashes because I ain't got no lashes. That means a girl ain't even cute, you feel me? But this is my favorite brand right here, Lash. But the girl in the house store, she put me on another brand. I also got these kind. But this number. She put me on the Ivy mink lashes. She said, why you never buy the other lashes? So we gonna try these, period, because it's trying new stuff, right? And this out here is still doing this thing, like, and I'm with it. Anybody, y'all, when people don't know nothing about makeup, they don't even know that you know there's something off about your makeup. Now this is the Morphe version lipstick, liquid lipstick. Come on, not this. And then we're gonna go in with our Butter Gloss by NYX. Cute. Hey y'all, so this is the end of the video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I really enjoyed the new stuff I tried. I can't wait to try the other color of the blush, but I absolutely love this blush. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about the Rare Beauty blush too, and the concealer. It lays so good. And yeah, what else did I try new? The Girl Technique, I did my face first before I did my eyes. Y'all, it's the same stuff to do. But if you're doing major eyeshadow, then you don't want to have like fallout. So yeah, I like the new stuff I tried and it was totally a vibe. Period. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.